How to remove facial verification from Binance. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove facial verification or the passkey shortcuts on Binance. First thing you have to do is open up your Binance application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is tap on the Binance icon at the top left. And then from here you will find your user ID. So you just tap on your profile. Now from here you can find security right below. Once you get to this option, all you need to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the passkey. If there is a green check mark right besides it, that means your facial verification or fingerprints or any other biometrics is turned on as your passkey to log in quickly. So in order to turn it off, tap on it. And then from here, you'll find the delete option right at the side, the trash can icon. You can tap on it to completely delete it. Or if you just want to edit it, you can tap on the edit option and you can change the name of the passkey. So if you tap on the delete option, it will ask you if you're sure that you want to remove the passkey. Withdrawals and P2P transaction might be disabled for 24 hours after removing the passkey. You have to ensure the safety of your assets based on the assessments of the risk level. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind before you turn this one off. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next video.